Number 3 is ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer. Have you been on the quest for the ultimate shoemaker's magic wand? Look no further than the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X2 Resin 3D Printer, a true masterpiece that will take your shoe creations to another dimension. Imagine a 9.1-foot 4K plus LCD screen, where every pixel dances to a resolution of 4096 by 2560, capturing the tiniest details with pixel-perfect precision. Each pixel shines as a mere 48 micrometers, a leap ahead of its predecessor, the Photon Mono X, guaranteeing your shoe designs an exquisite level of intricacy. Hold on to your shoe designs because the Photon Mono X2 boasts the Anycubic LighTurbo matrix light source, showering your models with UV light from every angle. This symphony of light ensures a uniform exposure, resulting in printed masterpieces that stand out. Choosing your creative partner has never been easier with compatibility. Photon Workshop, CHITUBOX, Lychee, it's like having a toolbox filled with possibilities. The textured 3D printing platform with checkerboard charm holds your creations firmly, while the anti-scratch film protects the LCD screen like a night shield. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.